Hi, my name is Brendan Ryan. I am CEO of the Brendan Ryan Company and President of the Middlesex Company. And I have written a full-length original screenplay. I have directed 4 films. I have a father who is a credited singer, and I'm also an artist who likes to draw and paint, and somebody who also likes to put together models. Now, innovation can happen through the arts and sciences when you're focusing on what you're doing, either as an artist or an engineer, because they're practically the same two things. Everything you learn in the arts and sciences can be applied to entrepreneurship, innovation. In fact, they probably drive innovation in a number of ways that we've seen in the world around us. Now, my dad, who's a singer, he has influenced hundreds and thousands, in fact, people in the business world, in the oil and gas industry, who wanted to know more about what was going on with Phillips 66, the company he worked for and was the vice president at. And he was able to really voice what was going on. He was able to tell people what was happening around the company, what was important, and people wanted to listen to him. And that's how he gained a lot of people's trust in the workplace, was by talking to people. And as a result, those people, they knew him, they recognized him, they wanted to be friends with him, and they became lifelong contacts and friends in the business world. It's sort of the allure that science and arts bring to entrepreneurship and innovation, the way they get us thinking, the way they put us in a good mood. That's actually true, that in business we're looking for things that are appealing, ideas, decisions that we feel good about. And a lot of times we see those things either in music or art that we enjoy, or we see it in the people who are busy creating music or videos, movies, books, or even scientists who, because they're so bent on the newest science breakthroughs, that we see innovation happen as a result of a breakthrough in science. There's a lot of that going on in biotechnology today. And because of biotechnology, there are a lot of innovations happening every day. And in this century, in the 21st century, there are going to be so many innovations, so many entrepreneurs working in biotech companies. It's going to be the next big tech company. So watch out, Silicon Valley. You know, art is obviously under the microscope a lot of times as it's being created, and a lot of people will compare working for a company as though it were an art. It's a practice. It takes practice. It takes learning the fundamentals. Just like in art, just like the artistic process involves practice, learning the fundamentals, mastering your technique, developing your own style, and then becoming known for being an artist, or just like being a renowned business person like Peter Drucker. This is the best information I can share with you, and I think it's the most relevant. So I hope you're listening to me and have found this short video about arts, science, and innovation extremely fascinating, because I find it fascinating myself, and I'm sure Peter Drucker would even find it at the top of his list. Thank you.